Hey, this is Ram, and today I'm opening NSE website now. And here Nifty 50 is more than 1% now. As you can see, it is 1.14% here. So I'm going to select first three scripts in the list. First three are the top gainers in Nifty 50. So now the time is 9:45. So this is basically a very simple strategy. So if Nifty is more than 1% at around 9:45, we can use this strategy. For this, we don't want any charts, we don't want to see any technical indicators or any pre-market analysis, or even we don't want to see any news. So a very simple strategy. Now I am going to add these three scripts. First is Wipro, and second is Axis Bank, and third is Tech Mahindra. So I am going to buy around 20,000 rupees of stocks. Basically around 60,000 rupees I am going to purchase. So let me calculate the actual quantities, what is exactly required. So for Wipro it is 77 number or 78 numbers are required. For Axis Bank, to buy 20,000 of rupees of stock, we need 46 numbers in quantity. For Tech Mahindra, so around 32 numbers are required. So basically we need to split into three, and each stock proportionately we need to buy. So let me place a cover order with the stop loss of around 0.8 to somewhere around 1%. Usually I have around 1% of stop loss or 0.8% minimum. And the market is so bullish, so placing stop loss is also very important. Second, Axis Bank. So third is Tech Mahindra. Let me calculate the quantity exactly. Yes, it is around 32 numbers of quantity is required to buy this stock for 20,000. Stop loss around 1%, let us keep. So only Axis Bank got placed. So remaining since the market is moving, it is not placed actually. Tech Mahindra, let me change the value. So then Wipro is the top gainer, even it got around 15%. So it is in the upper circuit basically. So I think it won't get placed at all today. Let me check once. No. So let me cancel the order, and again the fourth place is basically Infosys got the fourth place in the list. So let me add that script in the list, because Wipro is in upper circuit, so operator won't allow it to buy it. Yes, Infosys. Yes. So we need let me calculate the value. 24 numbers are required, and let me place a stop loss also here. Yes, it's done actually. Now you can see all three are got placed, and you can see the green numbers. Yes, stop losses you can see here. So now it is moving, and let me see the margin also. Here I had used only 4,837 rupees to buy stock of around 60,000. So I got a good margin. So here, yeah, you can see it's 9:53 exactly. Basically it is 9:55, and the NSE is showing the updated is 9:53 AM, and you can see in Infi is the fourth script in the list. So basically one more strategy I had explained earlier in my video that also suits for this condition, for this market condition, and the link has been given in the description. You can check that video also. That is also applicable. That strategy also can be followed today. And let us wait for some time. So basically IT stock is moving in a good way. So the other strategy which I had said will also work very well actually. Don't miss that video. You can see that video through the link which is given in the description. So yes, now I think I need to close the position. By this strategy we can expect at least 0.5 to 0.8% of profit, and that in a short term. Now the time is only 10:10, so hardly 25 minutes of trade. So yes, I closed. So 411 is the profit. So let me calculate the actual profit I got out of my investment. So 411 is the profit with the investment of 4,837 rupees. So I got around 8.5% of profit in my today's trading session. So if you feel that the video is useful, please subscribe to the channel and like the videos. Thank you. Bye.